try that again because the audio on the last one was absolutely terrible. Hello everyone and welcome to Adams Drives. Now if you're one of the 11 subscribers that we had before, you might remember this channel as Tarmac TV. Don't worry, we're still doing ridiculous things with cars. We just haven't made videos in a really long time. But the channel is back. It's going to be branded as Adams Drives, the same as my Instagram and the same as my TikTok. That's right. I'm a 38-year-old man with a TikTok. Gross, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of fun. We're going to do a lot of things. We're going to be putting out videos. I'm probably not going to do a video every week. It might be every couple weeks, but I promise I will be putting out content for you to watch. We'll be working on cars. We'll be doing repairs, modifications, services, things like that. I'm probably not going to do step-by-step how-tos. There's lots of great videos online for that. This will just be more like you're hanging out with me while we're doing stuff, and you'll see the things that I do wrong and the stuff that I do right, but you know, you'll get to laugh at me as I laugh at myself, and hopefully I can teach you some tips or tricks as we go along that you can use while you're working on your cars or doing things in your garage. We'll also be making things, taking things apart, trying to fix broken things that come from around the house. I'll do a tool tour of things in my garage if you guys like that. That's a thing that people found interesting on the TikTok. It's the TikTok. And, I said I'm old. That's a thing that people found interesting on TikTok was a tour of my toolbox. So we'll do that. I'll take you through the stuff that I have here in the garage, stuff that works for me, stuff that doesn't work for me, stuff that I find indispensable in the kind of work that I do here in the garage. I'll show you, storage stuff, cleaning things, pretty much whatever I feel like making a video on, that's what we're going to make a video on. I'm really just trying to get more stuff out there. You don't need to know any of that. You don't need to know any of that. I'll show you tools that I like, tools that I don't like, tools that I bought thinking I would do something with them, and I have never ever used them, but man, I hope to one day, and it's going to be awesome when I do. Lots of things like that. I can show you some storage stuff, some shop infrastructure things, how I keep up with stuff. Maybe that helps you. And that really helped me when I was setting up my garage, was looking at lots of different videos of how people stored their things and how they made their workspaces work for them. We'll go for some drives. We do a lot of off-roading. I have some friends with some pretty cool cars. We'll take you along to see those and go for some rides. Probably won't do cars and coffee walk around videos. It's just not what I do. If I go to cars and coffee, I'm going around looking at things and talking to people. I don't also want to be making videos. But again, there's lots of great videos on that on YouTube. So you can watch those. I highly encourage you to watch those. Don't come to me for that. Come to me for fun garage things around the house, because that's mostly what I do. I might also tell some stories. I love the history of auto racing, especially like rallies, like Rally Monte Carlo and the Dakar. And I'll tell you some cool stories about things that happened in those races a long time ago, sort of before there was YouTube and things like that. I'm always a big fan of cars doing things that you wouldn't normally expect a car to do. If you have suggestions for videos that you like, always feel free to reach out to me or put them in the comments of this video or any of the videos as you watch them. I really hope that you'll subscribe and follow along. As I said previously, we had 11 subscribers for Tarmac TV, and in case you don't remember that, those videos are still available and you should watch them because we had a lot of fun making them, and that was back in the day before YouTube was monetized at all. And we used mini DV camcorders, and we edited them on Apple iMacs, like the Blueberry ones, and it took a day and a half, I think, to upload each video to YouTube. So we put a lot of work into those videos. Go watch them. They're fun. But we'll try and do some more stuff like that. Maybe cars are a lot more expensive than they were back then. But if we can do some fun stuff like that, we'll absolutely do it. So thank you again for watching this, and I look forward to bringing you more fun in the future. Bye-bye.